Welcome back everyone. I am reporting about electric motor. Electric motor. Electric motor is any of a class of devices that convert electrical energy to mechanical energy, usually by employing electromagnetic phenomena. Most electric motors develop their mechanical torque by the interaction of conductors carrying current in a direction at right angles to a magnetic field. The various types of electric motor differ in the ways in which the conductors and the field are arranged and also in a control that be exercised over mechanical output torque, speed and position. Construction of electric motor. This motor can be built with different components like rotor, stator, air gap, windings and commutator. Construction of electronic motor. Rotor. It is moving part in an electromagnetic system of motor, generator, otherwise alternator. The rotor in a motor plays the main role in rotating the shaft to produce mechanical energy because of its rotation. The communication between the magnetic field and windings will generate torque in the region of the rotor axis. Stator. This is an inactive part of a rotary system in the motor. It is available in generators, biological rotors, and mud motors and sirens. The stator includes winding, permanent magnet, or slight metal sheets known as lamination. These are used for decreasing energy losses. Air gap. The gap between the rotor and the stator in the motor is known as the air gap. It is the main source of the low power factors in the motors. When the space between the rotor and stator increase, then magnetizing current will also be increased. Commutator. A commutator is one kind of rotating electrical switch and it reverses the direction of current flow among the rotor the exterior circuits. Working of an electric motor. Anti-clockwise rotation. Split ring communication. Brushes, current reverses, and half turn. Working of an electric. When electric current is passed into the rectangular coil, this current produces a magnetic field around the coil. The magnetic field of horseshoe-type magnet then interact with the magnetic field of the coil and causes the coil to rotate continuously. The direction of current is from A to B. The direction of current is from C to D. The force on side AB of the coil is the downward direction, whereas the force of the side CD of the coil is in the upward direction. ABCD rotate in the anti-clockwise direction. While rotating, when the coil reaches vertical position, then the brushes B1 and B2 will touch the gap between the commutator rings and current to the coil is cut off. But the coil does not stop rotating because it has already gained momentum. The coil CD comes on the left side and AB comes to the right side. Again, they come into contact with brush B1, current direction is reversed. Type of an electric motor. Electric motors which is AC motors and DC motors. AC motor. The motor that converts that alternating current into mechanical power by using an electromagnetic induction phenomenon is called an AC motor. This motor is driven by an alternating current. The stator and the rotor are the two most important parts of the AC motor. The stator is the stationary parts of the motor and the rotor is the rotating parts of the motor. The AC motor may be single phase or three phase. Now DC motor. A direct current DC motor is a type of electric machine that convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. DC motors take electrical power through direct current and convert this energy into mechanical rotation. DC motor use magnetic field that occur from the electrical currents generated, which powers the movement of a rotor fixed within the output shaft. The output torque and speed depends upon both the electrical input and the design of the motor.